Now, because you understood how it's work, we will present Impulse applications and their utility. Don't be scared. It is a lot of technology here, but everything is friendly user. Encrypted communication. Current communication is using unencrypted data transfer, which needs third party to get, process, transfer, and storage all info. So we know that if an information is known by more than two people, it is not safe. iPulse is using VOBP, Voice over Blockchain Protocol. This means everything you send is decentralized and P2P with E2EE. Data encrypted data transfer. At this time, we have much of possibilities to send documents, photos, and media, but these services are owned by companies. It means somewhere is a server who can storage everything and to use or not. Technology used by Impulse, it is impossible to hack because it is using same algorithm like communications, so nobody can storage and read what you send. Share location is also protected because Impulse algorithm combine a military electronic warfare procedure with encryption. Secured payments. Today it is easy and fast to pay something, but we all afraid of hackers and card cloners. Online transfer is usually conditioned by workweek schedule. ATM hackers represent a really danger. Online shops and platforms can be hacked, and your account data could be stolen. Money transfer use same algorithm like data transfer because everything is digital. So if we have P2P with E2EE, all users' data are protected. Ultra-fast and unlimited money transfers with your own bank. Current methods to keep safe and to transfer money easy help us very much. So banks make our life easier. Really? No, because banks have big fees for everything. We cannot go to bank when we want because banks have schedule. We can transfer online 24/24, but the receiver cannot receive fast all the time. So why you don't become a bank? Impulse developed a decentralized services, your own bank. Wallet Vault can storage credit cards, crypto wallets, and all currencies and could be managed in different small wallets. Wallet Manager allows the user to create and set infinite wallets and to make them in accordance with his needs or wishes. For example, we can set an account for invoices with automatic payment in a fixed date. Or you can set a family account shared with all members. Matrix identity. Today it is important to have more phone numbers because you want to use phone just for office, just for family, and other different wishes. But it is very stressed to have only one number because you could be disturbed in weekend or at late hours. And also it is hard to have more phones or to switch SIM cards all the time. Impulse can solve all problems because we developed a technology called Matrix Identity. This algorithm allows user to create how many phone numbers he wants and to use them in different organizations. Private organization. In this era, people move all the time on long distances, so it is a little bit hard to use same smartphone with the same phone number in different countries without extra fees. This is very easy for Impulse because blockchain can be accessed everywhere, so all users can use their Matrix ID to join all networks even if they are public or private. Now, because all is clear, simple and easy to understand, we can observe that the most important needs: privacy, security, no borders, no fee, have been solved by crypto data with the smartphone Impulse.